What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing something very simple, so everyone can do this. Just follow along. It's only going to take a couple of minutes. So I got this tailgate reinforcement thing on Amazon. I'm just going to throw it on. Hopefully it helps the quality of the tailgate. I'm also going to put a sound system in soon, so I'm trying to eliminate like any sort of rattle that could happen. This video isn't sponsored. This is just an install video from a product that I bought online. It's like billet aluminum. It's super nice, and it has like, I don't know, it's got like really nice machine edges to it. Everything's super smooth. So now that I've gotten the 2 bolts out, there are 2 new bolts that you use with 2 new washers. We're gonna throw it in now. Oh, and you'll want like an Allen key set with this one. All right, and just like that, it is installed. It's really sturdy, and I did notice that it sucks like right into this pocket right here. So it fits really well, and no complaints. Hopefully it holds up for the sound system.